Why do we dream? Have you ever woken up from a dream so realistic that you had to stop and ask yourself if it actually happened? Maybe you were flying, being chased, or talking to someone you haven't seen in years. Dreams can feel incredibly real, yet scientists still don't fully understand why we have them. So why does your brain spend hours creating imaginary worlds while you're asleep? Let's find out. What happens when we sleep? Sleep isn't just a period of rest. Your brain stays surprisingly active throughout the night. One of the most important stages of sleep is called REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, your brain becomes almost as active as it is when you're awake. Your eyes move rapidly beneath your eyelids, your breathing changes, and most of your muscles become temporarily paralyzed. This is when the most vivid dreams usually happen. Are dreams just random? For a long time, some scientists believed dreams were simply the brain reacting to random electrical activity. The theory suggested that your brain receives random signals during sleep and tries to turn them into a story. This could explain why dreams are often strange and illogical. One moment you're at school, the next you're on a spaceship talking to a giant cat. But many researchers now believe dreams serve a much bigger purpose. Dreams may help process memories. Every day your brain absorbs a huge amount of information. Faces, conversations, emotions, sounds, and experiences all compete for space in your memory. Many scientists believe dreams help organize this information. While you sleep, your brain sorts through what happened during the day, deciding what to keep and what to forget. That's why parts of your daily life often appear in dreams, sometimes in very unusual ways. Dreaming may be your brain's way of organizing its files. Dreams and emotions. Dreams don't just involve memories, they often involve strong emotions too. Fear, happiness, anxiety, excitement, and sadness are common in dreams. Researchers have found that emotional areas of the brain become highly active during REM sleep. Some scientists believe dreams help us process difficult feelings and experiences. Think of it as a safe environment where your brain can work through emotions without any real-world consequences. Why are dreams so weird? If dreams have a purpose, why don't they make sense? The answer lies in how the brain works during sleep. The logical part of your brain becomes less active, while areas linked to memory and imagination stay active. This allows your brain to connect ideas in unusual ways. A childhood friend might appear at your workplace. You might visit a city you've never seen before. Dreams combine memories, emotions, and imagination into strange but fascinating stories. Can dreams predict the future? Many people believe dreams can predict future events. While this idea has existed for thousands of years, there is currently no scientific evidence that dreams can actually see the future. However, your brain is excellent at spotting patterns. Sometimes a dream may reflect worries, observations, or possibilities you've already noticed without realizing it. When something similar later happens, it can feel like a prediction. Lucid dreaming. One of the most fascinating types of dreams is called lucid dreaming. This happens when you realize you're dreaming while still asleep. Some people can even control parts of the dream, choosing where they go or what happens next. Scientists have confirmed that lucid dreaming is real, and it offers a unique glimpse into how consciousness works. So, why do we dream? The truth is that nobody knows for certain. The best evidence suggests that dreams help process memories, regulate emotions, encourage creativity, and possibly prepare us for challenges in real life. Rather than being meaningless stories, dreams may be an important part of how the brain keeps itself healthy and organized. Every night, while you're asleep, your brain is still hard at work. And although science has learned a lot about dreams, they remain one of the greatest mysteries of the human mind. So the next time you wake up from a strange dream, remember, your brain may have been doing much more than simply sleeping.